What's up, guys? Yeah, I got to skate at the Braille warehouse and it was really cool. I wasn't personally invited by Aaron Cairo or anything like that. I don't know any of the Braille members, but they were having open skate night over there and I just happened to be in the San Francisco Bay Area and I decided to go and check it out, and it was just really cool, like super surreal being there. I mean, it's just one of those skate parks that you see online all the time, and just being there is just absolutely insane. So I have some clips lined up for you guys and I'm really excited to share this adventure with you guys, and yeah, let's do it. Young Wavy. What's your name, bro? Leo. Leo, this is Leo. We skating, bro. This is so cool. The Braille house. We got the homies. Christian?
Yeah.
Christian. Oh my god. Homie skating the. What is it?
It's like a carbon fiber deck, and it's got shark wheels. It's awesome.
He's trying to kick with it. Let's see. What you got, bro? Oh my gosh, that looks like dangerous. It looks dangerous. Skate in the Braille house. Bro, it's so sick. So sick. Skate and everything. Bro, it's so sick to be here. What a feeling, man. It was super crazy to actually be there in person. Shout outs to the homies Chris and Leo. It was kind of like we had the whole skate warehouse to ourselves, and man, it was just super awesome. All the skate obstacles are extremely mellow and you can definitely level your way up. They had the 3 stair, they had the 5 stair, and down rails to accommodate it. So like, dude, it was just awesome. And Aaron Cairo was just like, yeah, move everything if you want, you know, just have fun. And dude, it was just everything that you would have imagined. The only thing is that I wish I could have stayed longer. Like, I feel like I could have just skated there forever and still not had enough time to skate. And man, so it lasted from about 5 to 9, I think. So that's about 4 hours, but I think I got there about like 5, 6 o'clock. And so that's about like 3 hours of skateboarding, and I just feel like it still wasn't enough. But I still have some clips loaded up for you guys. We're not done yet. And yeah, let's do it. 1, 2. Don't worry. First time I've ever done this. Hey, let's go.
Thank you.
Alright. Sick, bro. This is so sick. We even got the Mega Ram. Oh my gosh. No way I'm gonna skip that. It looks sick. Yeah, that's what I like about this. Lean forward, bro. Just push. Man, I wish I could just live here. I wish I could just.
I did it! Oh, no. Okay, actually, yeah.
Next time we hit in the 3 block. Hey, good stuff, bro. Good stuff, man. You too, bro. It was fun. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the adventure. I know after this video, some of you are gonna be like, how do I skate with young WAVY? And all I'm gonna say is, come find me. I won't make it easy. And yeah, don't forget to drop me a like. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.